7:48 on your Friday morning. I told you before the break that the back edge of the rain is moving rapidly off to the east. Let's take a quick little tour from central, southern, and eastern Kentucky. Here in the Bluegrass now, we are done with the rain, at least most of us. A few spotty showers still hanging on as close by is Moorhead and back down to Frenchburg. But most of us now are dry here. Let's slide down to the south on I-75. Same story in most of southern Kentucky. Now you zip to the east just a short distance, and that's where the last of the rainfall is coming now. It's on the doorstep of Urban. That's the back edge of it here. Still raining in Beattyville, Booneville, Jackson, Hazard. Some thunderstorms, not severe, but some thunderstorms there this morning. Same story down into parts of Leslie County. You work your way into Knott County, some rain back up to the north and northeast. You could see still some showers over into parts of Floyd and even into Martin County. I mentioned that we saw a brief little break in the clouds, but it would be short-lived because that low deck of clouds will be moving back in. Look at it here. Lexington and Paris, it is just overcast. Same story in Somerset and down in Cumberland Falls. It'll be a while before we finally see some sunshine. If we see any in some parts of the area, that would be later today. Temperatures this morning are in the lower 60s, a few 50s kind of sprinkled in off to the east, but it's primarily 60 or a little bit above that. Speaking of the back edge of the clouds, you can look, and they are back here, if you look closely, still west of Indy, down into southern Illinois. Those will gradually make their way east as the day wears on. Watch it here. 8:30 this morning, still in Indiana. Oh, it slowly moves in here by late today, late afternoon and into the evening, or at least early evening before the sun sets. We'll likely see some sunshine across central and northern Kentucky. South and southeast, these clouds may not even break up for you until late tonight. And that means that obviously there probably stays in the low 60s this afternoon. By tomorrow morning, it will get chilly, though. We'll wake up likely into the 40s, maybe even some upper 30s because the northwest wind drops our temperatures. And then during the day on Sunday, check this out, though. Here comes some more clouds back. I wouldn't rule out a stray shower down in far southeast Kentucky on Sunday, but most of us will not see any rain. The cool air mass, we're already seeing it move in now. No more 80s for a while. Cooler this weekend, especially as we go into Sunday with highs in the 50s. So that sets the stage by Sunday night with the sky clearing for some frost into Monday morning. Lows in the 30s then. Cover your plants. Our average last frost in Lexington is April 25th, and the average last freeze is April 14th. So again, we're going to be in that zone still of when we typically would see our average last frost. Not too late, at least on average. Looking at the next 7 days, better weather to kick off next week. We're looking at low 60s after we get past the cold morning on Monday, spiking into the upper 60s on Tuesday, a late day chance. I'm really talking more into, it looks like Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, a few rain showers. I don't see any 70s though next week. Looks like mainly in the 60s.